I hear people talking about the skills all the time. One of the most common things that I hear around the place is the story I'm telling myself. So I'll often be chatting to someone and they'll talk about something that's happened and they'll catch themselves and go, but the story I'm telling myself about that is, and these are the facts that I actually have. The language has become commonplace at Jade. I mean, even in my team, I think it's so powerful once a whole team has been through the training. It just becomes part of the way we engage with one another and talk. So I hear the skills getting used all the time. I see people getting out the Crucial Conversations conversation planner, and they're often asking for that to plan out the conversation they want to have. So that tells me that the skills are in use. I think the fact that the course still gets filled every time we run it, and we run it globally as well, so we do that virtually from New Zealand for our Australian and our UK teams. It still gets filled no matter how many times we offer it, and I think that in itself tells me that it's having an impact because people still want to come along and people are positively talking about it. We have seen since 2019 significant changes in our culture. We measure that through the Denison Culture Survey. And if I tried to think about one area in particular, it would be in the agreement section around getting things done is easy at Jade, collaborating across departments is easy, and we've seen those scores significantly increase. So I think I would like to think that Crucial Conversations has had an impact in those two areas. I think there's other work that we've done, like giving the tools and the framework surely have supported those. And I've had new starters join, and when I catch up with them around what brought you to Jade, often it's, well, I've heard about all the internal training you offer and it sounds amazing. So that in itself, the fact that people are talking about it externally, that tells me it's having an impact, because that's not us marketing it externally, that's our people.